Hey, what's up? I'm an angry bird. You know what else? Yeah, I'm stuffed. I'm recording this video. Also, my name is Red Homie G. You know there's dumb cheese in that car. You know why I convince people to stay? Because they never have the chance to live. That's it. So, people, you wonder why? Hey, don't look down there. Stop. Stop. Keep the camera on me. You hear, dog? The reason I'm here is because I have no family. I'm poor all alone. I have to beat the freaking pigs. They're trying to steal my eggs from the fridge. Yeah. Who knows when they're going to grow up? Poor eggs. I'll never forget them on I laid them. That doesn't make me a chick. That makes me a man bird. Who are you talking to? Look, I'm a bird, so yeah, leave it that way. And don't you act like that. I'm a bird. You're some guy or person thingy-majig. Ooh, humans or whatever. And I'm just a pathetic red bird. From a game. It looks fun. You get the slingshot, pull back, land on the pigs. And yeah, I'm all friends in here. So, this is my first video of the week. Bird time with me. And yeah, I know. I'm on a bed. It sucks. And plus, I think Dawson's in the other room. So yeah, there you have it. Bird time with Red G. Bird. Did I forget to mention the bird? No? Okay. So, subscribe to Austin channel. Or 97. The Austin 97. Yeah. Subscribe. Post. View. No, don't post. Don't post. Do not post anything with low voice. Thank you very much. Or else someone's gonna have to beat that guy's booty. Seriously. If he tries to put me on low voice, I'm going angry bird on him. Goodbye. What? It's not over yet? Bye. I think. Gotta see ya. Where's my slingshot at? Dumb producers.